Hello everyone. Here I have my trusty cordless angle grinder and its compatible battery. It connects perfectly, as you can see. I'm using an angle grinder to refurbish this rusty metal bar. But when I press the button, the angle grinder doesn't work. This battery is dead. I have another battery fully charged, but look what happened when I tried to insert it. The grinder is working perfectly, indicating that the battery is fully charged. Now let's test it with this charger. When I plug in the charger, you'll see a green light, indicating it's ready. Let's see what happens if I plug in the first battery directly. A red light will come on, confirming that it's charging. I'll mark the battery with a piece of tape and a V for identification. When I connect the faulty battery to the charger, you'll see the indicator light on the battery turn green, which indicates the battery is fully charged or the charger doesn't recognize the battery. With this depleted battery, I'll mark it with an X for easy identification. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, it's time to open the battery case. I'm using a screwdriver to remove all the screws around the perimeter. It's important to be gentle and patient to avoid damaging the housing, as we'll need it later to secure everything back into place. With all the screws out, I can now carefully pry open the battery casing, revealing the internal components. Before I do anything else, I'm taking a small brush to clean away any dust or debris inside. This ensures that when we make new connections, they'll be clean and have optimal conductivity. To fix any potential connection issues, I'll use WD-40. I'll spray a small amount into a small bottle. WD-40 isn't just for cleaning. It also helps remove moisture and break down any corrosion that might be hindering electrical contacts. After spraying the WD-40, I'll use a cotton swab to wipe the battery terminals and the entire circuit board. This allows the WD-40 to penetrate all the crevices, removing dirt, grime, or minor corrosion that might be causing poor connections. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Next, I'm using sandpaper to sand the battery terminals. I'm preparing a couple of wires, a red wire for the positive terminal and a brown wire for the negative terminal. I'll strip a small section of insulation from each end of these wires. This exposes the copper wire, which is essential for making our electrical connections. The length of the stripped wire should be enough to make a good, secure contact. I'm carefully attaching secure safety pins to the stripped wire ends to facilitate the battery's connection. It is crucial to ensure secure, well-insulated connections here for safety and functionality. To create a new universal connector for the charger, I'm using a safety pin and rivets to easily connect to the other end of the red and brown wires. I'm connecting the safety pins to the terminals of the battery that needs adjusting via the new safety pin adapter. With the other end of the wire, I connect the safety pins and studs to the dedicated charging cable. Look, the charging light is turning red, indicating a successful connection and proper charging. This confirms that our internal wiring is correct. With the successful test, it's time to put everything back together. I'm carefully placing the battery cells and the circuit board back into the casing. Then I'll close the two halves, making sure all the wires are tucked in neatly, and reinsert all the screws, ensuring it's snug and secure. I'm connecting the charger to our modified battery via the external charging port. Watch the indicator light on the charger turn red, showing it's working, and then turn green when complete. This confirms our new charging circuit is working perfectly. I'm taking the modified battery and attaching it to my angle grinder using our homemade adapter. A quick press of the button, and there it is. The grinder spins up perfectly. I'm using an angle grinder to grind away the rust from this original piece of metal. This simple tip allows you to repair your battery easily, saving you money and time. When I press the button, you can see the 4 green LEDs light up, indicating a full charge. If you found this DIY solution helpful or inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other tool hacks you'd like to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.